Hello, friends. It's great to have you here. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. I'm Miss AP, here to help restore your energy. Let's start with our warm-up. We are going to be running in place by the count of 10. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everyone. Now that we've warmed up our bodies, we are ready to exercise. Today, we're going to be working on moving our legs from one side to the other. To get ready, let's stand in our ready position. Remember, tall like a pencil, arms down, legs together. Once my body is in that ready position, we're going to step out with one foot, then bring it back, switch sides, now the other foot, and bring it back. Again, out and back, switch, out and back. Good. Now let's try that 30 more times. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out, back, out, back, out, and in, out, in. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Give yourselves a big clap, clap. Nice job. Let's start our cool down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use the exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day long.